Why do we build bridges? We build bridges to connect communities. This is a bridge. This is a bridge. This is a bridge. And this too is a bridge. When we think about who we make connections with, we naturally think about the people we align with, who at the surface are similar to us. But when it comes to building bridges, its purpose is not to connect people and things that are alike. We build bridges to bring different people together. People from different regions, different areas, different communities. Commonly, we think about the communities as the areas in which we live. But we can look at many other things as communities. Communities also exist in our hobbies, religious institutions, social causes, traditions, educational institutions, and even our workplaces we go to, which has communities within communities, like departments and divisions. Within each of those communities, we communicate with people we at first do not know. We exchange ideals, viewpoints, and resources. That's when the bridge building starts. As these relationships start to form, we find commonality even among people we would have never thought we had things in common with because of how different we appear. Stop to look at the opportunities where you can build bridges. Opportunities to connect with others and share ideals. It's a moment to explore beliefs and values that are common to many. Although we may appear different on the surface, we find that underneath, many of us have similar wants and needs. Exploring those wants and needs of people who have different perspectives than us can be complex. But as we know, anything worth building takes time and a high amount of effort. It's that thought in mind that we realize we're building not just any bridges, but we're building solid, high quality, and long-lasting bridges that are vital to recognizing the value and appreciation of all people. So let's make a conscious effort to connect with one another. Let's not create obstacles to divide, but instead build structures that can bring us together. Let's continue to build bridges. Bridges that bring people together.